Yes, hello friends. So let's continue our lesson. So today I would like to teach you how to configure the DHCP server. Generally, we already know about DHCP. So I can say that when we're talking about DHCP, mean the IP address has been assigned or already automatically get from the server, from your FortiGate, something like that. You can see when I deploy the HP server in my domain controller. So this one, like here is the IP, the subnet 103. So all my client, you see, will get automatic IP from my DHCP server. Yeah, with this IP address. You see, okay. So what we configure this. So let's go together. So first you need to go to server manager and you need to add role and feature. And you click next. Okay, I go faster next. And then you have to click on the HTTP server if you haven't installed. But in this lesson I already installed. If you don't have installed, just install it and click next so it will finish. And after it finish, you go to tool and then you find the HTTP. Okay, here is my domain controller. Expand it. You can right click on IPv4 and deploy new scope. Okay. When you do something, I suggest you to read here, everyone, to read what is scope, why do we use scope like that. So do like this will be can make you more and more improve. Okay. Now click next, and then this one you can deploy your scope name. I can deploy DHCP server. Okay. Yeah. This you can specify anything, everyone. Okay, so here is we need to specify the DHCP server range. So my IP 100, 98, 100. So let's say I will deploy from this one 30 to 10 and 40 or 60 like that. So all my client will be get this IP when they join to my domain. Okay, so this one subnet a length 24. Okay, next. Okay, so I just want to make sure that this one is the IP that we need to give to our client or to printer or something like that. Okay, next. Okay, and this one add exclusive and delay mean that I will read for you. Type the IP address range that you want to exclude. Okay, if you want to exclude a single address, type at the address only. That means that we have a lot of IP and a lot of clients, right? A lot of user. So we can exclusive mean that we exclude two or more than two IP address. So we can take that IP address for use in another purpose like web server or like deploy the chat domain, something like that. So now for example, I put okay, I want to rank our DHCP 30 to 60. So let's say I put only 35. Or if you have another thing or another IP that you want to exclude, okay, you just put like that. Okay, yeah, like that. 40. For me, in this example, like I put only one, for example. Okay, I add. Okay, next. Okay, this one is list duration 8 day. It will be list. This one I keep default. Okay, yes. Next. Okay, this one a router. This one you are required like if you have router that you need to configure to access to the internet. So this one you can add IP address of your router. So I add 101. Okay, this is the IP address from my router, like for the gate, so forth. Okay, Red Hat, Cisco, something like that. So you can add. Okay, add. And then next. Okay, parent domain. Okay, I put the same. This one to configure scope client to use DNS server on your network. Again, this one you can add server name. Like this one is my server. I have already, and this one my local server, and this one like internet server. And if you have another server, you just type name and then add its IP address. Okay, so this one I don't have, so I click next. Okay, so this one Win server. Okay, I keep blank. I no need to configure this one. Okay, yes, next, finish. Okay, so after you configure, you see. Okay, you can expand here. IP pool. Okay, IP pool. This one, you see, here's the range, like our start IP address and our end IP address. So my client will get the IP address from range between like 30 to 60. Okay, and this one is my exclude IP address. Okay, so in this range, I exclude this IP address. Yeah, as I just said. Okay, list IP not yet connect. Okay, reservation. Okay, if you have IP reservation, you also configure here. You see a reservation. Ensure that DHCP client is always assigned the same IP address. Okay, this one, if my client connect, it will drop. Okay, now let's go. For the DHCP server is finished in this step, everyone. Now I go to my client to check. Okay, here I go to my client that already joined the domain. Okay, so this one I go to C. I need to check whether I put it static or dynamic. Okay, I check. Okay. IT administrator. Okay. Okay, here I put static, so I put it automatic DNS server. So this the IP will get from automatic from the DHCP server. So the range, everyone, the range it should be between. I go to check the DHCP server here. Okay. Okay, pool. Go to see pool. Yeah. So DHCP server should be between 30 to 60. Okay. So let's see. Okay. What is the IP address I get? DMD command prompt. Okay. Command prompt and IP config. Okay, I put IP config / release. Okay, mean release the old IP address and / renew. Okay. Okay, so everyone, my IP is I get rank it from 30. Okay, so because I have only one client, we can go here again to verify whether it link with the static IP or dynamic. Okay, see 30. Okay. This my okay. Let's see. Okay, you see. So this one I obtain IP address automatically. So it will be get the IP address, the rank that we have set. Okay, so that's all for the DHCP server deployment. I hope that you find this video useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.